Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Bo Allsworth.
Yeah, you.
This is how to make a vending machine part 2. Because I think I've stopped filming the rest of it. So shut up, Bo.
Why use it off?
I want to eat muffins now. If this video can get how many likes do you think?
More than 2.
More than 2 likes?
No, we'll get 20 likes. Bigger.
Damn.
20 likes and we'll do a ghetto DIY street spot.
Yeah, ghetto DIY street spot. So if you live in Deception Bay, you can come to this ghetto and maybe find us there writing and something. So back to Bo.
You are trying to be a mom. Should have kept nails bit.